You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this name. This is also the name of a flower in French, because it's a French name originally. We'll be looking at how to say more useful vocabulary and names too. Eglantine is how it's said. So in English this is either said Eglantine or Eglantine as well. It exists, but in French Eglantine. Eglantine. So in English it's much closer to Eglantine, Eglantine, Eglantine. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.